Alright, so what are my thoughts on diversification? Well, I do think that people should be diversifying at least a little bit in their holdings, so maybe they should have a little bit in bonds, maybe a little bit in tech companies or growth companies, maybe a little bit into value companies. I think all stocks should be also dividend stocks that you own, just because I think companies should be able to pay out to their shareholders, showing that they have profit, that they're able to give that profit back to their shareholders. We'll go on to this further in a future short or a future video or whatnot, but the idea is that I think people are perfectly okay to be diversified, of course, but I don't think you need to diversify as much as some people may think you need to be. Like if you're investing in the S&P 500, let's say, that's a very diverse portfolio where you're investing in the top 500 companies in the US. That's a lot of companies. I do not think you need to own that many companies. Just that's my opinion. I think that maybe even 30 companies, as long as you pick good ones that make sense from a value perspective, or maybe even a growth perspective, the idea is that you want to make sure that you have certain stocks that you know really well and that you understand them completely and that they should be able to increase their profits as time goes on, or they're just a good value investment and that they're undervalued based off of book value, price to earnings, intrinsic value, etc.